On a hackathon organizing team, everyone has a different role and has different information, but not everyone has the technical skills they need to go share that information with hackers directly. It falls on the tech dev team to go update a live site, but that's a lot of information and it can cause a bottleneck. Introducing Single Source, a no-code way for anyone to go update the live site if they know the information. So how does this work? So first thing you're going to do is anyone can go through, read the documentation, and it basically gives you the data that you can go put in as a JSON. From then, what you can do is you can go add the data in this data folder as defined in the documentation. You'll see I've already done that here for most of those things. From there, all this data goes through a parsing layer in the scripts folder here that goes through, reads all the data, consolidates it into a single, basically, document, and then the front-end rendering code, all of these components over here, go through and put together a website. From there, anyone can go view it locally just by running npm run start, and I have it up over here. So as you can see, we have, judging starts in half an hour. We've got important links, activities. You can go join them for the link if it's a live stream. You've got all your prize information and eligibility. You've got resources. Again, all of these links work. And it's worth noting too that for the schedule, everything's in your time zone specifically. And that's all great. But what happens if you're making an update and you don't know if the data is good? Well, you physically can't break it, and that's what the parsing engine does, but it will give you errors if there are things that aren't rendering correctly. So for example, we don't have a hackathon name, we need a branding color, and the website isn't a link. So we can go through and we can go update all of that in the config over here. If we save both of those, it automatically re-renders the live site. And as you can see, all of those updates get put into play. The only thing that anyone on the tech dev team needs to do is hit the deploy button for this change, and everything is ready to go out to GitHub Pages or Firebase hosting or wherever it's being hosted. Now you can use Single Source to create a high quality live site for your hackathon with no programming experience.